Hello everyone, today I will show you how to use Linux software. Before starting the operation, we need to download two software, VMware Workstation and Virtual. Follow the steps in the document to download. After downloading, the first step is to install the Ubuntu software. Open the VMware Workstation software. Click Create a new virtual machine. Select Custom. Keep default configuration. Input the full name, username, and password. Set the name and location. According to needs and the computer configuration, allocate processor and cores. Here, the total number of processor cores is set to 2. The default operating memory is 2 GB. Keep default configuration. Here, click Create a new virtual disk. If there is enough computer memory, it is recommended to set 40 GB or more because small memory may not be able to meet the subsequent demand. The disk will be named automatically. Click Finish and the virtual machine will be opened and installed. When the line head mark appears, it indicates that the installation is in progress. Wait a minute. When the Enter Password page appears, the download is completed. Shut down the software. Click Edit Virtual Machine Settings. Click Options. Click Shared Folder and select Always Enabled. Select a storage folder and name it Share. Power on the virtual machine. Enter the password first. Click VM. Select Install VMware Tools. The Install VM Tools is only selectable when booting. In this video, VMware Tools has already been installed, so it shows Reinstall VMware Tools. Right-click Copy to a path with permission. In this video, copy to Home. At this point, we need to open the terminal. Enter command to search for files in the current path. If the target file is in red in operable state, we need to add operable permissions to it. Enter the command to enable the operable privilege. To display the full name by tab key, enter the password. The password is invisible. Enter command to search for files in the current path again. Enter the decompression command. It will automatically decompress to the current directory. Enter the command cdvm. Enter command to see whether the file decompressed or not. Then enter the operation command. And then the installation will start. When yes or no appears, just type 1 and enter for all the following options until the installation is complete. When the VMware theme appears, it means that the installation is end. Then we need to install TI toolchain. Download the SDK installation package from the official website. Put the SDK file into the Ubuntu software. In this video, I put the file in the document folder. Using the cd command, view the document file. Using ls command to view the existing files under the current file. Enter the command and press Tab key. Wait a while and it will be moved to the root directory. And then enter the operation command and press Tab key. And the setup page will pop up. Click Next and finish it, and the installation is finished. Enter cd command. It will back to the root directory. Enter the ls command to see the creation of a folder. And enter the command cd ti, press Tab key to enter the folder. Still, using ls command to review the existing files under the current file. Then we can see a setup.sh, and then enter the command. And enter the password. And then enter according to the prompt and press Enter key. Press Ctrl plus A and Z according to the prompt at the bottom. And then wait for a while. Enter these two commands one by one. You can see that the prefix has become green, which means we have entered the Linux environment. We can check the version information of QMake by entering QMake V. This means the building is successful. Next, let's make the development board configuration. There are two terminal softwares, but in this video, we'll introduce Mobile Custom. There are two connection options, serial connection and telnet connection by a network cable. In this video, I will introduce serial connection. Open the terminal software first. First, find session. And then select serial. Select serial port and baud rate. Next, check the information and click OK to finish. Power up the development board, and the following interface is displayed. Enter root to start. Let's come to the second part, project file course compilation. Open the VMware workstation. Enter AR command to create modified or extra backup files. Press Tab key, don't press Enter key. First, send command and check the configuration path. The compiler path is not. And then configure the path. You can place the compiled file under the development environment file path or other path configuration methods. Send the command to check the configuration path. Then you can see the configuration is complete. Enter AR command. The required compiler is appeared. The cross compilation is demonstrated as follows. First, create a C file to output hello Dwin and then enter the command win main.c. If prompt to install, enter the install command. Enter the password. Then enter the win main.c command again. Then enter I to write the code. After finished, press its key. And then enter the command :W key to save and exit. Enter the cross compilation command. A binary file named a.out by default will be generated. We can copy the a.out file to the screen through the SD card. Open the terminal software and connect it. Enter the command cd/media. Enter the media folder. Following the steps and to run and output the result. At this time, the tutorial is end.